Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior, and we have a tan interior. This nice wood grain accent trim to have heated seats, both driver and passenger, and power memory seats here on the driver's side. Lumbar support, sunroof. Hopping inside, mileage currently at 9,615. Quick look at our steering wheel here. And we have a push button ignition. Here we have our touchscreen display. Currently showing radio and backup camera. Of course, you can navigate using the touchscreen itself. You've also got a command module right down here. You can make adjustments. And then you also have one right here on the steering wheel as well. Below your display is climate control, and also buttons to access some of the different functions you'll find on the display. Cup holder, ashtray, cigarette lighter. You've got different dynamic sport modes here, which will affect how the vehicle drives, as far as steering and transmission and whatnot. Also have ambient LED lighting in this vehicle, fully customizable within that menu system as well. Rear seats. Quick peek back up front. And coming around to the back, we've got our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space. And you also have power controls there to flip down those rear seats in case you need a little extra storage. And push button to close the trunk as well. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.